Ready? And heading home now, finally. So I'm gonna be going a little slow now because the guy that wrecked earlier, giving him a 2-up ride back to the gas station. Figured that'd be nice. His bike's way down the ditch. His dad's coming. Said he's bringing a winch, and they're gonna try to pull it out. So he said his dad has some experience with that, so it should be good. But he needs to ride back. So yeah, not the best end to a day. We got a little riding in. Wasn't too bad. No one got hurt, luckily. A little bit of road rash on the arm, a little scuff on the forehead. I don't know how that happened. I guess his helmet pushed against his head, but nothing too bad. So had a little talk. We just ate lunch and had a little talk about not trying to keep up with people and kind of riding at your own pace on the mountain and all that good stuff. So I remember when I had my first bikes up here, though, I rode too fast and wrecked a few times, low-sided a few times. And so, I mean, I can't really blame somebody for doing something that I did myself, you know. So, yeah, just try to help them out how I can. Hopefully it won't lose. Hopefully it won't lose interest after wrecking. I know some people do. I think he'll be okay. He said he's going to either try to fix that bike up. We don't know how bad it is because I couldn't see the bike. Or he's going to try to find another bike. So hopefully everything will turn out well. His dad's coming to help him. And that's that. No lesson for people who get their first bikes. You sign up to go to the mountains on a group ride. Just go slow. Make sure you go with a group that'll wait for you if you do go slow. Don't try to ride up front with everybody. Don't try to go super fast. Not really words of wisdom. Kind of obvious, but oh man, this thing doesn't like riding with two people. Brr. Brr. I think we both weigh about 150, so if you weigh 300 pounds, don't get on smart and get the 610 instead of the 510. Got a little more oomph, a little more reliable too from what I hear, but I don't know how much more it weighs. It might not even have as much horsepower. And the weight on the rear wheel kind of makes it a little shaky. Up on the truck, head back home. Just wanted to give a closing to the whole ordeal. Try to, you know, give some people some advice. And most curvy mountain roads, you want to find some sweepers, some, you know, take them easy. Maybe go find some little less sharp turns, and the thing was, he was going downhill, so I mean, just that front tire, the rear tire was brand new on the motorcycle. Rear tire looked great, front tire looked kind of iffy. It had some uneven wear. It's either low pressure or I don't know if it was driving low pressure or if it was something else, but check your tire pressures. We did today. I checked Ann's on the 250. She had 20 in the front and I believe 25 in the rear, which is way too low on both, especially the front. So we put a little air in her tires, and then Paulina had 25 in the rear. good.